Okay, so the problem we have today is find the derivative of y equals cosine squared of x cubed plus x squared. So what we're going to use is the chain rule. So the chain rule says that we start by taking the derivative of f and plugging g of x in for it, and then multiplying that all by the derivative of g of x. So let's go ahead and rewrite this equation as for f of x and g of x. So we'll start by saying f of x is equal to cosine squared of x, and g of x will be x cubed plus x squared. So now if I plug g of x in for f of x, we'll go back to the original equation. So I haven't changed anything here. So now let's go ahead and take the derivative of both of these. So the derivative of cosine squared x is -2 sine x cosine x. And the derivative for g of x is 3x squared plus 2x. So now we're just following this formula right here. So the derivative of this equation, so we'll represent it by y like that, y, and put the 1 right here. So derivative of y, we're going to start by finding just the derivative of f. So it's -2 sine, and where we see this x, we're going to plug in g of x. So -2 sine x cubed plus x squared, cosine, and again we're plugging in x cubed plus x squared, plugging that g of x in for the derivative of f. So here's the derivative of f, here's g of x, and now we're multiplying the entire thing by the derivative of g of x, which is 3x squared plus 2 of x. And now we're going to rewrite this problem, and we're going to take this, we're going to bring that to the front. It's just the sort of the more proper way to write this. So we have -2 times the quantity, 3x squared plus 2x times sine x cubed plus x squared cosine x cubed plus x squared. And that is all.